Hey, I'm Hannah. Today I'm at the landing at Sycamore Creek in High Point. This neighborhood is by Nova Triad Homes, who's teamed up with nationally recognized Epcon communities to create this neighborhood for the 55+ crowd who wants the luxury of the single family home without the yard work and exterior maintenance. Today I'm with Mr. Andy Dreyfuss, builder, and we're in the designer room. Can you tell me a little bit about this?
Yeah, the design room allows our homeowners to semi-customize their house in multiple ways. First of all, there's always the ability to do structural options, and they can place transom windows in certain parts of the house, and they can, same thing with ceiling fans and screen porches outside. We're also able to move doors and orientate rooms slightly differently. So that's the first part of customization. The second part is fairly standard, but it involves all your selections and options from, and we're in a room where you would do this. You would meet with a design expert to take you through flooring, countertops, lighting, cabinetry, even down to the intricate details of the pulls on your cabinets, grout color, all kinds of choices. It can be a lot of choices. We do this many times a year with many homeowners and have a lot of experience of putting together the right packages and the right look for our homeowners. So good question.